let's go over the ingredients that you would need. So here we have 3 tablespoons of our lemongrass paste. We have about, let's see, 9 pieces of garlic here. As much chili as you want. We have some red chili. We have some jalapenos for heat. I'm not really sure if this chili right here has any heat or not, but it adds color and adds flavor. We have MSG, optional, always. We have sugar. We have chicken liver. You can also add chicken gizzards and heart. We also have 2 pieces of chicken thigh and 1 wing. And we have our tamarind soup mix. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started with our chicken liver. What we're going to do with that is we're going to pre-boil it so that it gets rid of any nasty pieces of bits on the outside. Kind of cleans it up a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and boil that for about 5 minutes. And we're going to go ahead and prepare the rest of our meat. Okay, so my mom is going to go ahead and cut the chicken thigh into pieces. And here she's going to show you how to separate it from the bone.
dương trái cô đã sạch dương đi về tuần và sạch truông với việc
We don't pay.
người hương vị.
My mom likes using the chicken thighs because they're a little bit more tender. They're not as rough as the chicken breasts. The chicken breasts are kind of dry and rough. Not rough, but they're just isn't as tender as the chicken thighs. So there we have it. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and prepare our peppers. You can slice it any way you like. And if you like it spicy or hot, leave the core and the seeds. We're going to show you an easy way to crush garlic instead of chopping it up. We have our mortar and pestle here. My mom said when you're stir frying this lemongrass stir fry, you want to add a lot of garlic. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and let my mom finish crushing. Our chicken liver has been boiling for about 5 minutes now. We are boiling it while we are preparing everything else. So as you can see, all the dirty stuff has risen to the top. And we're going to go ahead and take it off the stove now and rinse it and clean it. Okay, so here we have a pot of water that we're going to go ahead and clean our chicken livers with. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and drain it and bring it to the stove. We are going to go ahead and start our stir fry. So here we have about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. If you don't want to use that much, you don't have to. Okay, so we tested our oil with a little piece of garlic. So now we're going to go ahead and add in our lemongrass and our garlic at the same time. Okay, marami may thơm mày.
Dương tục oi về cả hòm tịt oi về chui. Bởi dương mình oi về cả hòm vì ăn chui thì tim ní về thì trâu bông tim nó kêu
đó. Okay, so pretty much what my mom said is you want to let the garlic and the lemongrass brown, so it brings out the flavors and the smell.
Dương trâu cô về lươn cũng oi về cloi, bởi vì cloi về là viên.
And you want to keep stirring the lemongrass and garlic around. If not, it'll turn bitter. So our lemongrass and garlic has browned. So now we are going to add in some sugar. Here we have 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now if you don't want to add that much, you don't have to. This is just our measurement. This is the way we are going to make it. And to that we are adding half a teaspoon of MSG. Now if you don't want to add MSG, you don't have to. And to that we are going to add about a pinch of our tamarind soup mix. You don't want to add too much, just a little bit. But now if you add too much of that, it'll turn very, very sour. So be careful. Like I said, about a pinch. We're going to turn our heat back up, and now we're going to add in our chicken. Okay, so we have been cooking our chicken for about 8 minutes now or so. So now we're going to go ahead and add in our chicken livers. Okay, now during this time you want to go ahead and give your stir fry a little taste test, and what we discovered was that we needed to add some more salt. You might not need to add as much salt as we're adding, so right here we're adding about half a tablespoon. This is purely based on preference, so make sure you give this a taste test. Because the lemongrass paste already has salt, we thought that was going to be enough, but the water and juices have condensed down, so the stir fry is a little bit dry now, as you can see. So now we're going to go ahead and add in our chili. And you want to mix this well so that the flavors of the chili spread throughout the whole stir fry. Our pepper has cooked down and our stir fry is done. So let's go ahead and plate it and give it a taste test. Ní say mày.
Anh mình cha Kroeung.
Ní mình cha Kroeung này.
Mình cha Kroeung sạch mình đối thực nhiệt à.
Bạn.
Rồi ơi.
Bạn. Okay.
Rồi nhá.
So this is my mom's cha Kroeung sạch món and chicken liver. So.
Bây giờ trong đã ở phén sạch dương cho cha đây bây giờ mình trong đã dương đã sạch viên thơm với bạn.
Bạn. Okay. No, Sach.
Sach.
Okay. Sach though.
Dương mình pro Kroeung tròn thế hơi dương nhâm chẳng thế.
Bà chanh đó.
Bởi dương nhâm sạch mà chan ấy dương nhâm hết bay này bà.
You can really taste the lemongrass. You can also really taste the garlic. The spice is there. It's not too overpowering. The red chili wasn't that strong. I haven't tried the jalapeno yet, but so far everything's good. For the amount of ingredients that it had, it didn't even have oyster sauce. It tastes real good. So go ahead and take a couple more bites. I'm gonna try the jalapeno. Like my good hale.
Mà tên này ọt hal hơi cứ việc hal mồm vì ọt hal khang phí. Hơi vì dương bạch đạm tên thêm thế để tên này là mồm.
The jalapeno definitely has a bigger kick or a heavier kick compared to the red chili. So if you want it more spicy, I would probably add more of the jalapeno, or you can add a bird's eye chili, regular Asian chili, and that would make it really hot. So Let's give it a couple more taste tests.
Bây giờ cha Kroeung cho ngay dương đặt sạch trường vía dương đặt slab này dương đặt lờm vía dương đặt cỏ vía bây giờ đặt sạch truông vía vì rừng pì ở trong ngày thì rồi dương bộ Kroeung chạy tới dương chá vì mình sâu Kroeung chớn thì hộp dương trong ngày thì hay dương thơm hộp dương trâu cho nay pi lê yun tết
Này ní mày về mày nó sọc mày cha được chạy.
Cha chứ. Phần đó mẹ miền Nam tì. Tình chứ phần Nam tì hơn lắm.
Bà
miền Nam tì.
Mày đâu xí.
Mẹ đôi thế đạm tì đôi kia đã Kroeung đôi kia Kroeung đạm tì rộng mẹ hơn chưa. Mà rộng mẹ dương nhầm hơn ở đây nè.
Mà tê túi kì. Okay guys, so this is my mom's cha Kroeung segment. It's very flavorful, very bold, very tasty. So I hope you guys give this a try. You guys would really like it. Be something different. So there you go. Cha Kroeung segment. Thank you for watching. Take care. Okay, bye.คุณเจริญ
คุณเจริญมือให้คุมพลิกตุติมันอยู่ชาติชาใช่ไหมคุมพลิกปรับนะไอ้อาจจะนายเป็นยูเตเลินเด็ด
mà trong như bạn nắng này.